Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation on the diverse perspectives on pop culture. In this video, we aim to showcase different viewpoints and opinions on how pop culture influences our lives. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the subject to ultimately appreciate the varied perspectives that shape our society. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the multifaceted world of pop culture together.
How you can share an example of recent pop culture trend that you caught your attention? Why do you think it become popular?
As per myself po, pop culture that caught my attention, yung pong road chalk painting, yung kapag yung artist nagpipili siya ng popular or known places, tapos nag-create siya doon ng art, which is para sa akin, yun ang pinaka nagkakot ng attention ko kapag nakikita ko sa social media, especially. Yun lang po.
How has the digital age and social media influenced the way pop culture trends spread and gain popularity? Can you provide an example to illustrate this influence?
From my perspective po and opinion, nakaka-gain sinda ng popularity by nakaka-give sinda ng entertainment purposes and sa mga kababaihan na mahihilig sinda sa mga lalaking unique sa paghiling ninda and magayon sa inda to dala nun. So, mas dinadala ninda itong pop culture kaysa mismong culture nindang kala. Ito ang perspective ko kaya nakagain sinda ng popular.
How would you define pop culture and what do you think are its most notable characteristics?
For me, pop culture is platform using is mass media and social media. In addition, it's characterized culture through media and media that can easily understand by the youth or our generation now. It helps us to know the importance of pop culture now.
Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
So, para sa akin, an example of a trend na pop culture is yung pagsusulat ng, tulad ng sa Japan, yung katakana and hiragana. So, siguro kaya siya naging trend kasi mostly dito sa Pilipinas madaming anime lover. So, dahil doon sa pagiging anime lover nila, natuto silang magsalita, gumalaw, and magdamit din ng mga Japanese, tapos magsulat.
From your perspective, how has the digital age and social media influenced the way pop culture trends spread and gain popularity? Can you provide an example to illustrate the influence?
Okay. First of all, I would like to classify as a pop culture as a modern and new generation culture nowadays. What can I say with the pop culture nowadays? Pop culture is very popular, yes, because nowadays you can see every culture, every trends in social media, in every aspect of social media. Wherein, and the difference before, konti lang ang may social media. And right now, social media is the most powerful platform or key to communicate with the people, not just in your community, but all over the world. So, one of the example that I can give is, like for example, issue. If there is an issue, the world will know, the people will be aware of that, and sometimes issues are only one-sided, not knowing the whole story, but it became a one-sided because they only focus on the part where the video is clear or the part where they only seen or watch the video.